So ma'am, how did your Adiyogi Center is helping you personally and at the professional level? So what was the beginning, and just share us the story about what it is here and what you are achieving through doing this 8-month course over here.
Um, so you want to know for Sadhana Pada specifically or the beginning as to how we
Beginning
entered
and
into
entire
Isha?
Adiyogi Isha.
Okay, so COVID was the time when I got in touch with Isha and with the travel industry down and the work totally off during COVID because I'm from the travel industry. I thought it's a good chance that God has given me. I wanted to try a lot of things and never got time for. Always busy with operations and family, etc. So yes, COVID was the time that I got time and I came across Isha Leadership Academy programs actually. I saw a program called Chanakya series and how to apply it in life today. And then there was a series of Never Waste a Crisis, which was entirely on COVID. And even as a business entrepreneur who's struggling to deal with COVID and its replications in your professional background, it gave us new ideas as to how you can take this as an opportunity to grow and convert anything that happens, including COVID, into the best that you can get out of yourself, out of your team, and provide the best what is required at that moment for people. So yes, that's how my story began, and I did the Human is Not a Resource online that was there that year during COVID. I did Isha Insight online, and I started. I came across inner engineering online, and at that time there was no initiation, so I did inner engineering in May 2020. Um, Only the 7 steps without the last step, transmission of Shambhavi Mahamudra. And I think it's a blessing in disguise that because of COVID and nobody could come here, they invented a way to provide the transmission of Shambhavi Mahamudra online. So January 2021 was the first ever online initiation that Isha tried, and I was one of the people who was privileged to be a part of that. And I think every step that I took with Isha and the way of being with life, I wanted to know more and I wanted to do more, and I came across whatever steps and whatever programs they had. I think I've jumped at each one of them.
So basically taking one step leads to your development in each and everything. But
Yes, I
just
think I've grown
one
in each one of them.
initiation is the must thing which you will have to take to start anything, be it this the sadhana or be it any other personal development skills you want.
Yes, it basically the entire philosophy is the same. Whether it's leadership academy, it's like getting the best out of yourself. So it's seeing divinity in everybody and everything around you, and also in yourself. So you want to see the best and get the best out of yourself and every person, and even see a flower and see the best that it can be and what it all stands for. So, and everything is geared towards that, about how aware and conscious you can be about that, as to where you are finding your own boundaries and limitations, and then do you want to strive and get beyond that. So it's every program is geared towards it. It doesn't matter, and it's all a pathway. So yes, I don't have a definition of how Sadhana Pada has helped me or whether one particular course has helped me, but I know every step of the way I've seen myself grow, and which is why I've stuck to this, because um, yeah, I felt I'm becoming a better person somehow, and I felt I'm learning something, and my curiosity has always been there, and um, I feel like a student again, and I'm so happy for that. And if you want to be a teacher and you want to set an example, you can't do that unless you yourself are growing.
Don't expect.
Right?
Absolutely correct about it.
So as the higher you reach in life and you strive more, maybe people around you will also follow and find the best in themselves. So
That is great sharing about your experience.